Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I got a good one for you guys today. I've reached out to two individuals who I follow on Instagram on the Jeep Cherokee page that I have here set up. They both run the same setup on their Jeep Cherokees. I'm going to be upgrading the headlights on the Jeep Cherokee. Not to your traditional square headlights that you normally see everybody run out there, but I'm going to be installing this bad boy right here. Okay, now this is what comes in your Jeep Wranglers. This is your 7-inch round headlights. Hopefully you guys learned something from this, because I know I will. So let's go ahead and tackle this together. Let's go. Alright guys, so the first thing you have to go ahead and do is remove your old headlight. Now I went ahead and I removed the 3 screws that already go mounted to the bracket. I just got one more left. Let's go ahead and remove this one real quick. I went ahead and I also removed the turn signal so it could give me a better access, because I also have the front bumper here kind of blocking the way, so I need as much space as possible. And we're going to go ahead and now unplug the old headlight. There you go. Put this one aside. And we're going to proceed on taking the actual bracket off. Alright, once you go ahead and remove the headlight, we're going to remove the actual bracket that the headlight goes mounted on. And there is 1, 2 Torx bit 15. Let's go ahead and remove these real quick. This is how it should look once you go ahead and remove the entire bracket and the headlight off of your Jeep Cherokee. Let's go ahead and proceed to the next step. Alright guys, so you're going to go ahead and get your new plate. Once you go ahead and figure out exactly where you want the bracket to be mounted on, you're going to go ahead and trace out where you'll be cutting through the fiberglass. Now if you take this off, you'll notice that it will have 3 screws to adjust the light, top and bottom, which is on the top, and then left and right. You're gonna go ahead and pretty much put it where you think is gonna be the straightest. Again, you're gonna mark the spots to cut, and hopefully you don't mess anything up. So let's go ahead and get to cutting. Alright guys, so what I did real quick off camera is I went ahead and I cut off one of the sections there. But let's go ahead and proceed to the next one over here. Alright guys, doesn't that look so much better compared to the traditional XJ headlight? At the moment, it's pretty much flush. This is as straight as I can get it. Alright, I'm going to show you guys real quick. I'm going to turn them on just so you guys can see how they look. And oh my god, I already tried it and they are so much better. I don't know if you could tell there on the camera, but they are so much brighter. And if you guys want to actually see, you want to see the difference. Look at that line. If you guys can kind of tell, you see that nice, perfect, crispy line, and then the other light you can't even tell, as you can see. Crispy, nah, can't even tell. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for the install. As you can see, it looks so much better. Now, today is actually day number 2. See, I was having issues last night with the passenger light. Initially, I plugged them both in just to make sure they both worked, and they did. After mounting the lights, I discovered that the passenger side was not turning on all of a sudden. So I got super frustrated. I pulled out a few tools and I noticed that it was still getting power, but no light. So I hit up a few guys on Instagram. I'm actually gonna shout out one individual who actually helped me out tremendously. I can't thank you enough. Evil XJ on Instagram. Dude, you've been such a big help. We found out that it had a bad ground on the passenger side. That's the reason why I wasn't turning on, although it still had power. But yeah, this is the final product. This is how it looks. I have it hooked up to my cell phone, so I could just pretty much turn it on. And like I said, I just think it looks so awesome. I hope you guys do too. And that was pretty much the install for the 7-inch round headlights on the Jeep Cherokee. Thank you guys for watching.